Well, let us tell it to everyone then, folks. Go and spread the word. Spread the good news about Cherish the Water. Here are a few simple to follow steps to install the rainwater catchment system. Step 1. First of all, read your instructions carefully, because everything you need to know is contained in the information sheet. Then plan the best spot for the tank, then cut out the template and use it as a pattern by marking the area for cutting. Make an incision in the downpipe about 65 mm down from the top. One of the best ways to do this is to first drill some small 3 mm holes into the pipe. Use these to start cutting with your tin snips, and cut in a circular motion until you have reached the template lines. Step 3. Fit the rainwater harvester in a circular motion into your downpipe. See diagram 1 on your information sheet. Step 4. Attach run-off flexible plastic pipe or hose, which is available from most good hardware stores, pool shops or plumbing supply shops. Step 5. You're now ready to attach the pipes to your tank, and for an overflow system, repeat the above steps. By using rainwater catchment systems to supply needed water requirements, we can reduce our dependence on mains water. Did you know that there's no better quality water than rainwater? It doesn't contain any chemicals like our mains water. Rainwater is free. Collecting rainwater makes us ready and prepared during summertime to maintain our gardens. Once we've installed a rainwater catchment system, we use less mains water and thereby reduce our water bills. Leo Baita invented the water harvester. It started when he was just watching the rain one day, and a good idea came to him to simply and effectively catch the rainwater. He did an experiment and came up with the most simple and effective device that will fit into most downpipes and harvest that wonderful rainwater. Maintenance. Roof catchments should be kept clean and clear of leaves and debris. Overhanging branches should be removed. Gutters should be regularly inspected and cleaned if necessary. The use of screens or guards is recommended. Check all screens and clean them regularly. Tanks should not be allowed to become breeding sites for mosquitoes. For most types of tanks, mosquito breeding can be stopped by adding a teaspoon, which is roughly 5 ml, of domestic kerosene. However, don't use kerosene if your tank is made of Aquaplate TM and some plastic tanks. If in doubt, check with your manufacturer. Prevention of mosquito access is the best control option in all cases. Tanks should be examined for accumulation of sludge at regular intervals, say every 2 years. If sludge covering the bottom of the tank is evident, it should be removed by siphon or by complete emptying of the tank and then cleaning it. In some areas, professional tank cleaners are available through your yellow pages. Excessive sludge is a sign of inadequate maintenance of the catchment area, so check your roof and gutters. Disinfection. Regular disinfection should not be necessary, but if it is suspected that the water in the tank is contaminated, you can disinfect it in either of the following ways. use hydrogen peroxide, 40 milligrams of liquid to the tank, or add 7 grams of granular calcium hypochlorite per 1,000 litres of water. You may get a chlorine taste and odour, but persist for a few days and the water will be fine for drinking. Even in that time, it is not unsafe to drink. Stabilised chlorine should not be used. Well, let us tell it to everyone then, folks. Go and spread the word. Spread the good news about Cherish the Water.